Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, I welcome you. So, in as much as I love cabbage so much, so I have decided to make a dish out of it. So please cook along with me. So on the stove, I have my pot filled with stock water prepared from cooking chicken and spices. So I pour in my rice. So I will, depending on the quantity you want, depending on the quantity of food you want to prepare, so I added in my half teaspoon of fried rice spices or herbs, then cover to cook up for about 8 minutes. Okay, so I am checking my rice now after the 8 minutes time's up. So diving in my spatula to check if it is edible enough to eat. So I sieve and allow to cool off, cooling its head off after passing through the process of eating. So while my rice is cooling off somewhere, I filled my pan with cooking oil. Yes, I'm using King's vegetable oil. Then eat up. So after the eating up, so I just added in my onions, my green pepper, my sweet corn, my green peas. All this was chopped earlier. So as you can see, all this are similar to fried rice recipe and process. So I think the only difference is just the cabbage and the egg. Yes, and don't get me wrong, some cook fried rice and still add in their egg. So then I fry at low medium heat. Okay, now it is time to add my cooking herbs. Time was to be the first, but my curry said no, me first. So no argue about that. I just added my curry. Then now it is time. Yes. So giving it a quick stir. Then next I added in my carrots, brightening up the pan with color. Yes, I like carrots so much. Like, just, I think one of my favorites veggie with carrots. I don't know why, don't ask me why. So after I had in my fried egg, yes, I fried my egg, chopped. Then yes, I used 2 eggs. Give it the quantity of my rice, so little. So at last, I'm going to be adding in my chief ingredient. And if you go back and recall what I said earlier, I said cabbage. I'm going to be making a dish out of cabbage. So my chief ingredients of the day. So I am frying gently so my cabbage would relax. Dropping its ego, I believe it's crushy, so I'm just going to keep on stirring, keep on frying till it is relaxed. So remember I said my rice was cooling off somewhere. Now it is back to the stove. You can't believe this. It is back to the stove. So I pour in my fried greens and vegetable, giving it a thorough mixing so everything will mix well together. So after that, I'm still thorough mixing. So I will have a cheating pot of cabbage rice, so everything will just incorporate. So it's about to go down, the moment we all waiting for. So I love whenever I cook, I just dish out a little portion so you get to see all the ingredients inside the pot. So I am serving, and as you can see, my cabbage well relaxed and garnishing the rice well. And that will be the end of today cooking section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a comment, and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I post you get notified. And thank you for watching. God bless you. I love you all. Toodles.